Hi, my amazing family and amazing supporters that always watch and like. Thank you for joining. Today, it is this traditional Iro and Buba. Yes, we are going for it, all right? How to cut the Buba itself, okay? The Iro is the wrapper, it's matter of length. But this is the calculation for our blouse, okay? Plus 6 because it's a free blouse, not too free, no zip, no button, okay? So for you to be able to wear it, that is where you're seeing plus 6. And have it in mind, guys, the highest measurement, which is our hip, is what we're using cotton hero. So that is why I didn't finish others. Now you can see the sleeve length, the blouse length. Please do well pause the video, all right, to understand the calculation I did. Now this is my pattern, okay? I'll use my pattern, then place it on the fabric, all right? The pattern, I've already folded it using the highest measurement. 12.5 is my highest measurement. And the length for this blouse is 26 and this is 20. I think half inches SS, which is okay. I'll leave it that way, all right? So I just folded with the highest measurement, with the hip measurement, and I'm cutting. This buba is one of the easiest blouse you make. It's very easy to sew. Like in 10 minutes you're done sewing. In 10 minutes you're done, all right? So I've gotten the front. This is the front. The next thing for me now is to get the back. Okay, you fold using your highest measurement. You cut, get your length and cut, straight, no armhole curve and the rest of them. So what I'll do right now is to fold for my back. Now I'll place the front on this, okay, and cut exactly. Looking at it is not even, so I have to fold little more. Let me fold in more. It must be the same with your front and back. Your front and back must be the same, meaning the hip measurement. After division, I divided the hip, everything gave me 12.5 in width, in length, the blouse length. That is what we have here, all right? Then I'll cut, okay? Now, it is very important there is ease on this dress, okay? That way, there's no need for zip, all right? Then once you have done that, the next thing is our neck width. This is the traditional Yoruba Iro and Buba. The traditional Yoruba Buba, that is what we are making. The original one, not the one that is they make these days that is fitted, princess that and all the rest of them. No. This is when they talk of Buba, Yoruba Buba, this is it, okay? So my neck width, I'm going for 4.5, all right? And my neck depth, I'm going for 2. Remember this pattern is folded into 4 rather right now. The front and back are together. So when you have such, you cut the back first. I'm cutting the back. That is why it's this way. I'm cutting the back. That is why the neck depth is 2 inches, okay? So I've curved it. The next thing is to cut through on it. Cut the neck depth and neck out of it, the neckline, all right? Cut it out. Now, when I do that, I'll separate the back from the front. Okay, in every neckline we are dealing with, all right, the neck width is always the same with the front and back, but the depth differs. So having gotten the neck width and the depth for the back, I'll take out the back. That is the back that I just took out, the back pattern. Now for me to work on the front, what I just need to do is deepen it. Okay, now I'm going for 5 in my total length. Remember I placed it from the shoulder, okay? From the shoulder, that is why I placed my tape. Now yours can be bigger in depth or in width, but this is what I'm working with. All right, I've deepened my front neck depth. I can see I'm cutting it right now. That is what I'm cutting. Now, having done this, The front and back pattern is ready. What next? The sleeve. That is what next. You can see the neckline. We are good to go. All right. Next thing right now, we need to cut out the sleeve. Now, how do we get the sleeve? I said there's no armhole. Everything is straight. Even the sleeve too, there's no curving. It is straight. So let's get to the sleeve. Now, the total highest measurement I've cut so far is 12.5. Let's say about 12. Okay, you know when you join, it will still reduce. All right. So what I'll do right now is to do the calculation for you so you know what I'm about the sleeve, how to go about the sleeve. Looking at the sleeve, you see there's no armhole. They did not curve anything. There's no curving. It's just straight. Okay. So the sleeve length, according to what the person wants, it's 18. You know how we measure our 16. Now I minus 11. What is 11? The highest measurement. The remaining is 7 plus 2 inches. The 2 inches, you know, Iro has big folding. Yes, Iro has thick folding, and the hemming is usually very obvious, you know, and all the rest of them. So what I'll do, go for the width will be 12. My sleeve, it's usually very free. Okay, so understand what I did. The sleeve, I minus 11. Where did I get 11 from? The highest measurement, which is the hip, I got about 12 something. So I did some adjustment. I considered the sewing and all the rest, and I decided to go for 11. All right. So in total 9, the width 12. So for me to cut the sleeve, I'll be going for width 12. All right. Then the length of my sleeve will be 9 inches. All right, it is 9 inches. I'll get a rule and connect. If you watch where the width is, you see there is excess, so I'll still cut it. So I'll connect. This is 9 inches, all right, in length. So the width I marked earlier, we connect. Good. So this is the sleeve. All right, so I'll just cut it through. I'll just cut it through. Then we'll move to the sewing aspect of it. Now the sewing is very simple. Join the shoulders, all right, get the front and the back, join the shoulders. Then this sleeve, you get your center, notch it and get the center of the sleeve. Equally join it to the shoulder, all right, the other side of it. Then you shape, that is it. This is the back, all right. You get the front, place it, you know, the way we sew. Place it, you see that. Then you sew, hold the shoulders. Once you hold it, you get your sleeve. Notch the center of your sleeve, okay? Hope you're seeing what I'm doing perfectly well. Notch the center of your sleeve, okay? Once you notch it, you place it at the center and start sewing. This is it. You get. Sew your shoulder first. If you want to finish the neck. Then you sew the sleeve. That is all. Very easy. Then you shape. All right. So if you have not subscribed, do subscribe. For the neck, you can use bias.